Error 0x8004010f typically arises from issues with Outlook data files, account settings, network connections, or conflicts with other software. Let's examine the main causes. A primary cause is corruption in Outlook data files, specifically PST or OST files. These store your email data locally and can become damaged from abrupt computer shutdowns, malware infections, or disk errors. When corrupted, Outlook cannot access the required information during send or receive operations. Account misconfigurations can also trigger this error. Incorrect server settings, authentication problems, or outdated profile information prevent Outlook from properly communicating with email servers during synchronization. Network connectivity issues, including latency, jitter, or VPN-related delays, can cause Outlook to fail during send and receive operations. When network interruptions occur, the client cannot locate or access server resources, resulting in the error. Conflicts with third-party add-ins or antivirus software can also be a cause. These extensions may interfere with Outlook's processes, blocking access to necessary resources or causing synchronization failures. These causes are interconnected and often stem from data integrity or communication problems. Understanding them helps identify the appropriate solution for resolving error 0x8004010f. ScanPST.exe, also known as the Inbox Repair Tool, is designed specifically to scan and repair corrupted PST or OST files that cause Outlook error 0x8004010f. These files store your email data locally, and corruption can prevent Outlook from synchronizing properly. To use the tool, first locate scanst.exe. It's typically found in your Microsoft Office installation directory, usually at Program Files, Microsoft Office, root Office 16. You can navigate there using File Explorer. Once located, run scanps.exe. The tool will prompt you to select the corrupted PST or OST file you want to repair. After selecting the file, click the Repair button to start the scanning and repair process. Before running the repair, it's crucial to back up your PST or OST file. While the tool is generally safe and effective, there's a small risk of data loss during the repair process. So having a backup ensures you can restore your emails if needed. The location of scan.exe varies depending on your Outlook version. Search your computer for scanst.exe. Common locations include C, Program Files, Microsoft Office, Office 16, or similar, depending on your version of Office. If you can't find it, reinstalling Outlook may be necessary. To create a new Outlook profile, first open the Mail Setup window. You can do this by searching for Mail in Windows Search or accessing it through the Control panel. Once in the Mail Setup window, click the Add button to begin creating a new profile for your email account. The Account Setup wizard will open. Follow the prompts to enter your display name, email address, and password for the account. Outlook will now try to automatically configure your account settings by connecting to your email provider's servers. If the automatic setup fails, choose the option to set up your account manually. You'll need to enter the incoming and outgoing server settings provided by your email provider. After successful configuration, click the Done button to complete the setup. Your new Outlook profile is now created and ready for use. Solution 3 focuses on disabling antivirus integration. Sometimes antivirus software interferes with Outlook's send and receive process by blocking necessary access. To resolve this, temporarily disable your antivirus software or its Outlook integration feature. First, temporarily disable your antivirus software or its Outlook integration. This allows Outlook to operate without interference. Next, test Outlook to see if the error 0x8004010f is resolved. If the error is gone, adjust your antivirus settings to permanently allow Outlook to function without blocking it. Antivirus software can sometimes interfere with Outlook by blocking its processes or scanning email communications. This interference may trigger the 0x8004010f error. To resolve this, you'll need to temporarily disable the antivirus integration with Outlook. The exact steps vary depending on your antivirus software. Generally, open your antivirus control panel and look for settings related to email protection or Outlook integration. You may need to disable email scanning temporarily or add Outlook to the allowed applications list. For example, in ESET Node 32 Antivirus, go to the Advanced Setup and uncheck the Email Client Integration options for Microsoft Outlook. This prevents the antivirus from interfering with Outlook's email processing. In Windows Defender Firewall, check the Allowed Apps section and make sure Microsoft Outlook is permitted to communicate through the firewall on both private and public networks. In Norton Antivirus, access the Email Antivirus Scan settings and uncheck options to scan incoming and outgoing email messages. This temporarily stops the antivirus from monitoring Outlook's email traffic. After testing that Outlook works without the error, remember to re-enable your antivirus email scanning features to maintain your computer's security. Common email protocols include IMAP, POP3, and Exchange. IMAP allows two-way synchronization between your device and the server. POP3 downloads emails one way to your device only, and Exchange provides Microsoft Server integration for advanced features. This diagram shows the key difference. IMAP maintains a two-way connection for real-time updates, while POP3 simply downloads emails without ongoing synchronization. To verify server settings, check your incoming server address for receiving emails, outgoing server address for sending via SMTP, correct port numbers like 993 for secure IMAP or 587 for SMTP, and encryption settings like SSL or TLS as specified by your email provider. This screenshot shows how to configure email settings in Outlook, highlighting the outgoing SMTP server field, which must match your provider's specifications. This diagram illustrates the correct port numbers for different protocols: 587 or 2525 for SMTP submission with explicit SSL-TLS, 465 for implicit SSL-TLS, and standard ports for IMAP and POP3 email receiving. Always ensure these settings match exactly what your email provider recommends, as incorrect configurations can trigger the 0x8004010f error during send-receive operations. A corrupted Microsoft Office installation can cause various Outlook issues, including error 0x8004010f. To fix this, we'll repair the Office installation through the Control Panel. First, open the Control Panel. Go to Programs and Features to see installed programs. Next, locate Microsoft Office in the list. Right-click it and select Change to access repair options. In the Repair window, choose Repair. Select Quick Repair for a fast fix or Online Repair for a more comprehensive repair that downloads fresh files. When repairing Microsoft Office to fix Outlook error 0x80410f, you have two main options: Quick Repair and Online Repair. Quick Repair works without an internet connection, scanning and fixing corrupted files locally on your computer. It's faster and suitable for minor issues. Online Repair, on the other hand, requires an internet connection to download and reinstall necessary files from Microsoft servers. This makes it more effective for complex problems, but takes significantly longer to complete. Faulty or outdated add-ins can sometimes interfere with Outlook's functionality, causing errors like 0x80410f. To disable add-ins, go to File, then Options, then Add-ins. At the bottom of the window, select COM Add-ins from the drop-down and click Go. In the Add-ins window, uncheck the ones you want to disable. Finally, restart Outlook to apply the changes. To start Outlook in safe mode, first press the Windows key +R on your keyboard to open the Run dialog. Next, type Outlook EX/safe in the Run dialog box. Make sure to include the space between XE and the /. Finally, press Enter to launch Outlook in safe mode. If the error no longer appears, you can then disable add-ins and customizations, as previously described. Network connectivity issues are a common cause of Outlook error 0x8004010f. Outlook needs a stable internet connection to synchronize with your mail server. Interruptions can prevent the send-receive process from completing successfully. One effective solution is to restart your modem and router. This refreshes your network connection and can resolve temporary connectivity issues that interfere with Outlook synchronization. If you're using a VPN, it may be interfering with Outlook's connection to the mail server. Temporarily disable your VPN to test if this resolves the error. Network latency or interruptions can delay Outlook's communication with the mail server, triggering the 0x80401f error. Use troubleshooting tools to diagnose and resolve these issues. To check connectivity to your mail server, use the ping command. Type ping followed by your domain, like pingyourdomain.com. This sends test packets to verify if the server responds. For tracing the route your data takes to the server, use tracert. Type tracertyourdomain.com. This shows each hop in the network path, helping identify bottlenecks or failures. The network graph visualizes connections and paths. Replace yourdomain.com with your actual mail server's domain in both commands. We've covered multiple solutions for Outlook error 0x8004010f, from simple restarts to advanced troubleshooting. Remember to start with the easiest fixes and gradually move towards more complex ones. Regularly maintaining your Outlook data files and keeping your software updated are key to preventing this error.